This is our king mattress that we've had for 4 years. It's an Eastern king, and it has springs, and it has the box springs down below for additional support. But as you can see, it's super lumpy. The springs and stuff pop, and it's terrible. Now, this mattress did come with a 10-year warranty, but because we no longer live near one, I'd have to spend $400 in order to ship this mattress to Nashville, Tennessee. So this is why I'm trying the purple mattress. And this is how the purple mattress ships. Comes to the door in a 140 to 150 pound purple cylinder. Here is the purple mattress in place, and I'm going to use this little cutter in order to help open it. There's a zipper part that I can unzip. I think it will let me cut it any place along here. I just need to make sure that I don't cut the mattress. And I'm just applying pressure pull away from the mattress so I don't. Oh, that's sort of okay. I applied too much pressure away from the mattress. Okay, then the next step, it says to unroll. So I'll give that a shot. It's now in place. It'll still take some time for it to expand, but I'm liking the feel of it so far. Okay, I'm going to lay down on it. Oh, wow. You sink a little bit, but you also get that support. So yeah, I would say that my first impressions are that the purple mattress is great, and you should try it too. I'll post an updated video later on after we've had it for a while. Thanks.